the Ministry of Home Affairs gave an option to the officers. That's the first time they have asked. First time, and that was the last time. They asked officers to give option where they would like to get posted. So we have to give 3 options. According to the circular, they said that they give 3 options. We will post you, but we will not guarantee you whether you will get the 3 also. But depending on the availability, it post you. This is what they have given. So the circular came from Ministry of Home Affairs. That's a cadet appeal authority. So I have given option. My option was only one option, Andaman Nicobar Islands. I didn't give any other option. Second option dash, third option dash. So because my seniors who work here, they told me about big things about the beautiful place and no hassles, good climate, especially staff are really good, very cooperative and hardworking. So with that I joined here, and what I learned from them is absolutely true. I had absolutely no difficulty in discharging my duties. Everybody carried out the work so lightly and with a lot of interest. That is very important. So you can do the work for the sake of the work. So podcasting, I do the work. That's one way. Or you can also do it wholeheartedly and passionately for the benefit of you. So it depends. But here I find people are most of them passionately do the work. They like the job. They do the work sincerely. I was initially given the charge of tribal welfare, which I really like the subject. Though some of my colleagues in the administration, they were saying that tribal welfare तो क्या है उसमें क्या है आपको जरा को देखना बस उसमें क्या है your budget is only 5 crore. This depends on the way you look at things. But I like the subject so much. You know how it happened. Lieutenant General Bhupender Singh, so he called me, first calling. He called me and asked about my background and all that. He knows me. When I was working in Pondicherry as district collector, he was holding charge of the post. So he asked me what you are doing and all that. So I said, then he asked me, how did you spend your, because posting took some time, about 1 week later only posting happened. He asked me what am I doing. I said I visited the Survey of India, I read some books and all that. What books you read? Then I said about so many, aboriginal because I was fascinated. So I said, so he listened carefully. Then probably post me tribal for me. And it was a good experience. It was a really good experience, which I have not got anywhere else. About the human history, how humanity developed from that status to this status, how they think. So it was a great learning experience. This is, of course, this was all I was really industry. Zina was with me from the beginning, and thereafter other charges came, like civil supplies, education, so many other departments came. And last 1 year, it became very hectic. Actually, I thought this place is a good place to relax, but ultimately a lot of subjects started pouring on. Law, vigilance, shipping, health. It has become too much to load. But I have to pass on to my officers, especially my personal staff. They bore the brunt. There was no complaint whatsoever from anybody saying that the fine is missing, fine has gone here, there. I used to wonder. It's easy for me to dispose. For me, it is easy. I see the fine, sign करके, I'll throw here. That's my sign of disposal. I put it here. But no file has been reportedly missing. So it's promptly rendered, sent. It's a real hassle, not an easy job. So the person who does the work only knows. So I have to wholeheartedly thank my personal staff, each one of you. And I'll be grateful to you. I'll always remember you. And the officers who helped me in various branches, especially zoology. He's whatever files are coming, he will dispose by 5 o'clock. If it comes the morning before 5:30, before he takes his child to tuition, he will finish all the work and push it to me and send it to me. His typical framework is finally he will say the administrative department will ensure that factually everything is correct and legally tenable and go ahead accordingly. I am just joking. But I tell you, as a core, he is a honest person. I totally depend upon him. Because in law, you can do a lot of mischief. Elsewhere I have seen. I work in Pondicherry. In Pondicherry, the saying is, if you want to miss a file, if you really want to miss out a file, refer to law. The file will not come back. Some file will be 3 years, 2 years, 5 years, 7 years. It's a history. It is like a pitiless deep bit. So, but here is a person, single man army. He does everything himself. When I phone him up, now I'm not calling him on the phone because he won't be in the office. He won't sit in this chamber. Whenever I phone somebody is in the SAR section mein hai. SAR section mein hai. Why this fellow is good section? When I found, he goes there and sits and helps them and gets the whole blessed thing done. Single man army. Then after about 1 year back, 2 years back, we got one assistant secretary. One lady has come. Of course, she part-time she comes in here. And similarly, Mr. Om Rao, before him is British Rao. So he is also like, Om Rao also difficult to catch him. Whenever I phone him, he says, SAF section mein hai. Normal. You got to go and get the work done.
नीचे उसको बताना पड़ता है, नहीं तो फिर वो ऊपर नहीं भेजी जाती, इसलिए घड़ी नीचे जाना पड़ता है.
So ASL man also, so she contributed much. Whatever I tell her, then she smilingly she will go and get the work done, and then send the file on time. So in spite of some difficulties in the department, we were able to pull through last 1 year, and I'm hopeful that coming years much better system will prevail in the department. And Dr. Rath has come and start off the law college. I'm here only to give direction, but ultimately he's the one who carried out the whole thing. Within a short time we got the POC from university. We returned, we applied to DCI. We procured equipment, we procured laboratory, library rooms, we procured computers. So many things are done. The society has been constituted, the first meeting has been completed. So it's a milestone. So I'm sure that law college will come. And I remember how this law college whole thing started. One day our Honorable LG has a peculiar habit of calling the core group of officers. Maybe a weekend or something. It's like Chintan Paitan.
Think
something like that. He calls, or it will go for some time. So in one of these meetings, about 4 or 5 months back, he was asking the officers, thus, what is to be done now? What is it done now? So I suggested, sir, why don't you have law college? He said, yes, good idea, go ahead. He gave the clearance, and within 4 months we were able to get through. So condition go to BS Law and also to OSD law college. Sure, it will come through. I'm not able to write. And my personal staff, all of them, they are the most harassed people. I work here till 8:30, 9 o'clock. So this fellow Ashok will come behind. Sir, over time आती sir. ज़्यादा time हो गया sir. I say no, okay, if you have work, you go away. Then he started asking that also. So patiently they all worked. It must be a good relief for them also now. At least they can go home at 5:30 or 6 o'clock. But anyhow, it's a pleasure to work among you. My driver, Mr. Yusuf, Yusuf and Zina, they are with me from beginning, 4 years. Right?
Yeah.
From the day I joined here, they continuously with me. Their contribution is very appreciable. I thank each one of you. You are taking. So I will be in Pondicherry. I have another 2 years, 3 months to go to retire from government service. June 2018. I'm supposed to superannuate. I'll be in Pondicherry. My family is living in Pondicherry. My house, I built a house in Pondicherry. So when you come to mainland, please do come visit us. This is my house. Mrs. Das came here 3 times. Every year she used to come here, but her nature is she's very private person. She deals only with the children, and she's not a social type going away. She's from a very pious family. So, but she's very warmly person. So you are most welcome to the house. Please do come. And I'm sure the world is so small, we will meet maybe sometime in the future also. So once again, my heartfelt thanks to each one of you for giving me the full support and guidance and cooperation. Thank you. Thank you. Of course, Rajagopalan is a great photographer.
Sir, one more thing, sir, at this time. The tenure of, as far as my knowledge is concerned, Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, national level, around the world, anytime, anywhere, available, function, attended and giving address at this moment. You the only person, sir. Praise the Lord, sir. Prayers are going up and blessings are coming down. Thank you. Jai Hind, sir.